In this video, we are going to talk about ClickBank for beginners, how to make money on ClickBank for free. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's begin. You're probably aware that ClickBank is a well-known affiliate network in the affiliate marketing industry, and that you can earn money from it. Because of this, it is one of the affiliate programs that consistently appears on lists of the best affiliate programs to join, and with good reason. ClickBank is a free membership site that provides you with a plethora of different items to advertise, as well as a list of different categories to explore and experiment with on your own time. When it comes to affiliate commissions, there are a plethora of different commission rates associated with the products available on the ClickBank marketplace. Affiliate commissions can range from as little as $7 to more than $950, and this is just based on the last time I looked through the market in detail. It offers a diverse selection of products to promote, including ebooks and training courses, as well as video tutorials, software, and a variety of other digital goods. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform that is completely legitimate and safe, and it is used by millions of affiliates all over the world. Joining ClickBank, a massive affiliate network with thousands of products to promote on your website or any other platform, is completely free. It is completely free to become a member of ClickBank. Simply visit the ClickBank website and register for a free account is all it takes. Once you've created your account, you'll be given access to the affiliate marketplace, where you can choose a niche and product to promote. Can you make money with ClickBank? In fact, it is entirely possible. This is a difficult question to answer because the answer is dependent on the type of offer you are promoting, the amount of traffic you are receiving, and your level of knowledge and experience in the affiliate marketing industry, among other factors. When it comes to making money with ClickBank, there is no upper limit to how much money you can make. It all depends on you and your ability to generate leads. Through the ClickBank affiliate program, individuals from all over the world are nearly able to generate thousands of dollars in commissions, which is made possible by the wide range of products that are available. The commissions earned through ClickBank are typically on the higher end of the scale, and it is not uncommon for people to make their living solely through the site. Not only will we answer your question, but we'll also show you how to get started with ClickBank and start earning money right away in the tutorial provided below. How to make money with ClickBank. It's time to get serious about learning how to make money with the ClickBank affiliate program and establishing a successful affiliate marketing enterprise. If you're looking for products or services to market, ClickBank has the potential to be extremely profitable, and it's a great place to start your search. Number 1. Picking your niche. Your success as an affiliate marketer is dependent on your ability to select the right niche. Not only is niche selection important for ClickBank's success, but it is also important for overall success. Let's pretend that specialized selection is at the heart of your organization's operations. Picking the wrong niche in affiliate marketing is critical, because doing so can stymie your growth and result in little to no return on your investment. When you're just getting started and figuring things out, finding a niche can be an overwhelming, difficult, and time-consuming process. Consequently, you will be interested in a variety of different niches, and will receive advice from a variety of different sources, which will cause you to overanalyze situations. When it comes to selecting a niche, affiliates generally follow one of two paths. The first is the traditional route. Choose a niche in which you have a strong interest or one in which you are confident that you will be able to make a substantial profit. It's generally recommended that you narrow your focus to a specific niche in which you have a strong interest, even though it's difficult to go wrong with any path you choose. Number 2, the passion side. The fact that you have chosen a niche for your affiliate business, in which you have a strong interest, makes your job 10 times more straightforward. Given that you're working in a field that you're passionate about, you'll be naturally motivated to produce more high-quality content on a consistent basis as a result of your enthusiasm. Number 3, the profitable side. In contrast, if you choose a profitable specialty over a passion project, it is possible that this will not happen. If you do not care about a niche, it can be difficult to succeed in it, even if the niche is profitable, and the niche has a proven audience that is willing to invest in what they believe in. There is a possibility that things will appear rushed, and you may lack the motivation to consistently produce high-quality content on a regular basis. Certain financial gains are possible. As a result, it is difficult to go wrong with either option in the long run. The ability to learn about a new topic and put forth your best effort to produce high-quality material should allow you to be successful in any field you choose to work in, even if it is not your primary area of interest. If you want to achieve your goals, it is entirely up to you, and how much effort you are willing to put forth to do so. As a general rule, take your time when choosing a specialty, but don't overthink it, and don't let that delay your ability to begin working on your chosen field. Think about what you're passionate about and determine which path is the most appropriate for you. To your advantage, ClickBank offers a wide variety of topics, each of which contains a large number of products, allowing you to specialize in whatever you want and still make a profit from it. Number 4. Picking the right product to promote. After that, we'll look into which product will be the most successful on the market, which will be our next task. As you can imagine, choosing the right product is critical because it will have an impact on how much money you make as well as where your traffic will be directed, so it is critical that you get this aspect right. Your performance will be evaluated in part on the basis of the products that you choose to promote and display to your audience while delivering your speech. The ClickBank Marketplace contains thousands of products that you can market, but not all of them are worth your time and effort to promote. Yes, ClickBank has a lot of worthwhile products to promote, but it's also full of gimmicks and scam offers that should be avoided. Consequently, thorough product research is critical not only for making money, but also for establishing yourself and your company as trustworthy players in the marketplace. Your target audience will begin to raise their brows in disapproval of you after just one poor offer. Number 5. The ClickBank Marketplace. Almost all affiliate products and niches will be available for purchase through the marketplace. The fact that you will be gaining access to the items and niches that they have available will cause you to become familiar with this section of their website. You'll notice a search box near the top of the screen, which you can use to look for the product you're interested in purchasing. You can also use the magnifying glass to the right of the search box, without entering anything, to get a high-level overview of ClickBank's best-selling products without having to enter any information yourself. In the bottom left corner of the page, it can be found, and if you believe that is all that is available in terms of niches, it can be found all the way to the bottom. Try one of the niches listed on the bottom left sidebar for inspiration, or use the search box at the top of the page to see what's currently selling well across the entire program. If you still aren't sure where to begin, try one of the niches listed on the bottom left sidebar for inspiration. After you've chosen your specialty or conducted an extensive general search on the site, you'll be presented with a list of products to review and advertise. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know what you think in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.